I guess you could call me a clean floors enthusiast. I have tested so many mops. Here are 5 that I would recommend. For the eco enthusiast, consider this wooden mop. It's also sometimes called a Cuban mop. It's simple, it's made with compostable material, it's budget friendly. To use it, just wrap a cleaning cloth around the base and start mopping. I like it because you can get a ton of pressure on the floor with this mop for deep cleaning. If you love the convenience of a spray mop, the Oster Spray Mop is my favorite. The canister can be refilled with any floor cleaning solution. The mop head is thick and easy to remove and wash, but you'll probably need a handful of mop heads to clean an entire house. My new favorite bucket mop system is the Muk Flat Mop. The genius of this system lies in the squeegee function. You fill half the bucket with cleaning solution, then dip the mop in the wet side, squeegee away dirt and excess water on the dry side. You can mop multiple rooms with the same mop head. It is great for deep cleaning your floors. The Oster Spin Mop is like the everyman's mop. It's a string mop that works well on any type of floor surface. Fill the bucket with any cleaning solution you like, give the mop head a good spin to remove excess moisture, then mop away. The only thing I can think of here that's a con is that it takes up more space than any of the other mops on this list. Last but certainly not least is the robot mop. I would absolutely consider this to be a luxury purchase. This one is the Yui L70 mop vacuum combo. While most robot mops don't give you a deep clean, this one does a legitimate job and you can multitask while it works. And with all of that said, which would you choose?